Welcome to CVSRP Research YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain about how to publish a research paper in your elsewhere journal. So once if you prepare your paper, there are other documents also required to publish a paper in any elsewhere journal. The first document is a cover letter. Second one is the credit author statement. Third one is the declaration of competing interests. Fourth one is the conflict of interest. Fifth one is your manuscript. So along your full paper, you must upload all these documents. These are the mandatory documents you must upload in the Elsewhere Editorial Manager system. So the first one, I will show you the cover letter. This is the cover letter, the format of any journal. So here you will write the date and to write the editorial chief name and the journal name and write so and so your name and affiliation and the title of your research and write please consider your research paper or research article for the possible publication like that. Then you will write your details. This is the cover letter format of any journal. So here you must write cover letter to only editor-in-chief. Okay, so here and you write here all your details as well as the phone number and also email ID and those who are the corresponding author of your paper. So this is the cover letter format. The next one, credit author system. So in the credit author system, so whoever the author is use these items, those who worked on conceptualization or methodology or writing, original draft preparation and supervision, reviewing and editing. So like that, you will break all the names, whoever the work you will assign to that author. So this is the contribution of authors. So what they done, what they contributed to your paper, you must write here. So the credit author system, you write whoever the authors are there. You simply write, for suppose I am myself Dr. C.V. Sivaram Prasad, perform conceptualization, methodology and writing, original draft preparation, supervision, reviewing and editing. For suppose if your students are doing some project or some research paper, you will write writing and original draft preparation. And if you are a faculty, you will write supervision, reviewing, editing. So like that, you have to prepare the credit author statements. The next one is conflict of interest. So if there is no conflict of interest, directly you will write there is no conflict of interest, simply putting a heading conflict of interest and preparing a separate Word file. Next, declaration of interest, and every it is related to the funding agency. So every research paper or every elsewhere journal, they will ask this declaration of interest. So in that, they will ask the author declare that they have no competing financial interest or personal relationships that could have appeared to influence the work reported in this paper. So if you don't have any funding agency, simply click on here in this. And again, if you have any funding agency, you must write that funding agency in this below box. So this is the document where you will write the declaration of interest. You will prepare in the Word file. So this is the most important file also. So these are the documents, as well as if you observe the fifth one is the full paper. So for suppose the full paper, it is completely depends upon your journal format. But the one thing I will tell you, any elsewhere journal, there is no need of formatting the paper. You can freely submit in any elsewhere journal in any Word file as per the structure of the paper. Later, they will fix and in the production time, they will do as per the journal requirement. It's my sincere request, all of you, you will prepare like this, the sample journal format, what I'm showing here. This is a journal format. So you can freely upload and you can act, or it will go to the review in future. So, and one more important thing I will mention here, along with the cover letter as well as the credit author statement, declaration of competing interest, conflict of interest, and also manuscript. While uploading the full paper, you must upload the JPG files. That means photos are separate as well as the tables are separate. I will show you that how you will do. But suppose I am showing here one. See, this is the one figure. If you see the figure, 3D printing industrial RCC chimney model. So here, if you observe here, this one is the chimney model I am showing here. So it is a diagram or it is a figure. Simply I wrote the description here. Same like that. So one more figure I shown here. So like this, you have to upload figure 1, 2, 3, 4, like how many figures you have. So if possible, most of the time, and one more, this is a figure 1. So if possible, in the full paper only, you will fix tables and figures. Directly you can upload as well as you can upload separately. That means full paper and also without figures and without tables, and figures separately you have to upload, and the tables you have to separately upload. That is up to your wish, depends upon the journal. Okay, so now we will take one journal, the elsewhere journal. This is the construction and the building material journal. The ISSN number is 09500618. So if you observe here, now I want to publish a paper or I want to send my paper in this journal. So first what I have to do, so click on the track your paper and go to check submitted paper. Check the status of your submitted manuscript in the title. Simply click on submission system. So once if you click on the submission system, it will redirect it to the editorialmanager.com. So this is the editorialmanager.com where you have to upload all these details. Yeah, like this it will show first. If you have already username and password, directly you can enter, otherwise you have to sign up. This is the registration of any elsewhere journal. You must register for each and every journal. For suppose construction building materials is there, first of all open this one and you will register by sign up. So here the register now option is there. Simply click on register now and you will register here as an author. Okay, if you will observe instruction for authors, instruction for reviewers, and about the journal and the contact authorship and reviewers of all those things, and you can simply go through here. So if you want, simply click on the register for yourself. It will redirect it to the registration page. So where in the registration page, you have to give all the details, like if you have your ORC ID, you have to give, and if you have the first name, last name, affiliation, there is a procedure. Once you simply go to the continue button, you will give all your credentials, then you will get the confirmation mail. And once if you finish your registration, you simply go to the login details. So like this. So here login option is there. Directly you will enter username as well as the password. So once if you enter, simply click on author login. If you are an author, click on the author login. If you are a reviewer, simply click on the reviewer login option. So once if you click this one, it will redirect it to the next page. So in this page where you will get how to submit your paper to elsewhere journal. So here the submit new manuscript option is there. And once if you click on this one, you will submit which type of journal. I will show you that. So once if I click on that one, it will redirect it to this page. So in this page, you have to choose the article type of your submission from the drop down menu. No? If you observe here, there is a research paper, review article, case report, and some special issues and short communication. So now for suppose I am sending a research paper, I simply click on research paper and I will simply click on the proceed button. So like that, you have to do, and you have to upload all your documents from the cover letter as well as the whatever I am showing here. I will show you again. Yeah, here cover letter, create author statement, declaration of competing interest, conflict of interest, manuscript, all those things you will observe here. See, even you can observe here, see it is asking the required for the submission, cover letter, manuscript, as well as declaration of interest, and you simply click on here. It is showing all the documents, cover letter, manuscript, declaration of interest. These are three documents are mandatory for this journal. And they are asking tables, separately figures, supplementary interactive plot data, highlights. There is if we have graphical abstract also. If there is a video, and there are if there is any other data, we have to upload here. And finally, the most important thing is the credit author statement also we will upload here. So once if you upload here, write the description, then simply click on browse and go to the proceed button. Once if it is finished, it will ask the general information, then review preferences. You have to give all the reviewers, and it will build the PDF. Once if you select all the PDF view document, you will look into the PDF document, the final paper, then simply click on the approve that PDF paper. Then your paper is submitted. So in this page, the submission being the next step, once if you submitted that one, it will comes here. The submission being processed, in brackets, it will be 1. That means one paper you submitted like that. So this is the procedure how to publish a paper in research journals like elsewhere. So this is the most important thing, and you will watch my previous videos regarding in detail explanation. If you like this video, simply click on like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.